Mr. Speaker, to honor the life of Mr. Rodney Lewis, a respected member of the Gila River Indian community, a loving father, and a committed Arizonan who made a career of fighting for water rights for Indian tribes across the country. When he was a boy, Rod, as his friends called him, remembered watching his family survive droughts that destroyed crops, and he would listen to stories about the damming of the Gila River, which gave life to those who lived in the region. Mr. Lewis served his country in the United States Army Infantry, becoming an Army Ranger and rising to the rank of First Lieutenant. After being honorably discharged, Rod went to law school at the University of California, Los Angeles, where his next chapter of service began. According to his son, Governor Stephen Lewis, Rod came home to serve his people, to bring back that education, that legal expertise that the community did not have and many tribes did not have, was something extraordinary and something that was very significant to the community and later on to the entire southwestern United States. For over 30 years, Rod not only served as general counsel to his community, but he was also sought after across the country as a preeminent legal scholar on tribal rights, water and energy law, and tribal gaming. He was the first Native American attorney to argue and win a case before the United States Supreme Court. He was also the first Native American attorney to be admitted to the state bar and to practice law in Arizona. One of Rod's longest lasting accomplishments is the Arizona Water Settlements Act, which was signed into law by He led the negotiations with the federal government, Arizona, and more than 30 non-Indian parties for settlement of the community's water rights and claims. The legislation set aside billions of gallons of water for Arizona tribes and helped avoid lengthy lawsuits, and also helped settle the long-lasting needs of water for the entire southern region of Arizona. I had the honor of working with Rod on important water issues and saw firsthand what his knowledge and passion did for his community and the state of Arizona. He and his wife, Willardine, met in first grade and raised a close-knit and passionate family. According to Governor Lewis, his mother and father were defined as soulmates. My heart goes out to Willardine, Governor Lewis, John, and Catherine, and the whole community as they mourn their loss and celebrate the legacy of a great man.